Hello, I'm Trey Schneider, and this is my eMagine project that I sent in. And what I did was I wanted to build a animation using Flash. And this was my first time, so throughout the process I wanted to learn how to use Flash, what all this stuff did, and just overall get to know Flash and get used to it. And so what I did was I kind of based my project off a Evolution of Man, and that was the title of it. And so what it does is it progresses through time, and as you can see here, the character changes and the background changes until eventually he clicks the red button and the world goes boom boom, and then it starts back at the beginning. So at the beginning here, as you can see, so what I did basically is I drew my stick man, as you can see, and then what I did was I made the thing in his hand always have color, just so it stood out a little more. And then what I did was I drew this one stick man, and I just copy and pasted him throughout the whole timeline, just so he would look the same. And as you can see here, then we have the background, which each one is a symbol. And what I did was I just made it go, I made a motion tween on it, so it would go from right to left and just move over a period of time. And then for the walking motion, as you can see he's walking there. For the walking motion, what I did was I had his legs as a different symbol than his body, so that what I did was I just made it really simple, and I made one walking motion for this guy. And what I would do is I'd just copy and paste that onto all these other guys, and then all I would have to do is just like move his body and line them up with the legs so it looked right. And then for the backgrounds, I just drew a new one each time, and that was that. And for the ship one, the ship was different. As you can see, the whole ship is one motion or one symbol. The waves are one symbol, and my guy is one symbol. The reason I did that was because instead of just having a boat sit there on the water, I had the waves move up and down, I had the boat rock up and down, and then I had to line my guy up where the boat rocked. And then we go over here to the revolutionary time, and I've got tents, then I've got a tank and some guns, and this was a more modern time. And then we go to like sort of a futuristic time, and then as you can see here for the explosion, I just kind of scribbled with orange. And then as you can see here, each keyframe it gets bigger and bigger, and then it starts over. And that was pretty much my project. If I could have more time, I think I would have liked to added more detail to the backgrounds, and maybe make them look more realistic and not as cartoonish. And I would definitely do more on the walking motion, because as you can see it's kind of choppy, but that'll have to do for now, because what I learned from this is if you're going to do a flash, you do not want to wait until the last minute, or you will find yourself doing something and then another problem comes up, and then it takes a while to fix that. And yeah, if you're just going to do a flash, you just don't want to wait, you want to get it done. And that was pretty much my project.